सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 13, verse number 21. कार्यकरणकर्तृत्वे हेतुः प्रकृतिरुच्यते। पुरुषः सुखदुःखानां भोक्तृत्वे हेतुरुच्यते। Having completed the topic of Kshetram, Kshetrajnaha, Jnanam, Gneyam, now Lord Krishna has entered in the topic of Purusha and Prakriti. Kshetrajnaha, Purushaha, Gneyam, three are synonyms. Kshetram, Prakriti comes under one category. Both are synonyms. Either you can say Prakriti or Kshetram. There is no difference. But still Lord Krishna wants to present elaborately by giving a different name. Idam Kshetram, Idam Shariram Kshetram, Bhagavan has introduced. How the Kshetram has come, what is the cause, main cause? That is Prakriti. So that Purusha and Prakriti are the main important principles for this entire creation. We have to note, whatever creation I am seeing, behind this creation, there are two principles hidden. Two principles hidden. Those principles are Purushaha, number one. That Purusha alone is called as a spirit. Second principle is Prakriti. Prakriti means matter. Purusha and Prakriti, both of them, spirit and matter, are anadi, beginningless. Before the creation emerges itself, Purusha Prakriti was there. Before the creation come into existence, because this Purusha Prakriti only cause for the creation. That means what? Before the creation is going to come, both of them must be there. Where are they? Because lokas have not yet created, Bhulokam has not yet created, Swargalokam has not yet created, lokas have not yet come. Where both of them were staying, Purusha and Prakriti, they need not have any space. They are all pervading. Both of them are all pervading. They need not have a location. This is a very important, interesting point we have to remember. Immediately we get the question. Before the creation, before the lokas come to existence, where was this Prakriti and Purusha? They are Desha Aparichinnam, Desha Atitam. They are not limited by the space. They are not limited by the time. That's why anadi. Anantam. Anantam, spaceless limitation we are negating. There is no spaceless limitation to that Purusha and Prakriti. Anadi means timeless limitation also is not there. Both of them Kala, Desha, Atitam, Srishti Varathukku munnadiye Purusha, Prakriti, both of them were there. Such Purusha, Prakriti, they have common futures, Anadi, beginningless. And both of them are cause for this creation. Still they have uncommon futures. Still they have uncommon futures. What are those uncommon features? Spirit or Purusha is Chaitanyam, sentient. Prakriti matter is insentient, Jadam. Chaitanam Purushaha, Achetanam Prakritihi. Insentient and artha. Purushaha is nirvikaram, changeless. Prakriti is savikaram, always undergoing modification. Vikaransha gunanshaiva. Vikaram and savikaram. Then next feature is what? Difference. Spirit is that Atma is nirgunam. Purushaha is called Paramatma. Chollaporar Bhagavan. That Purushaha only Paramatma. That Purushaha is nirgunam. Whereas matter, the Prakriti is sagunam. Gunanscha, vikaranscha gunanscha. Sattva guna, rajo guna, tamo guna. When you have sukha vritti, sattva guna, it represents. When you have dukkha vritti, rajo guna, it represents. And you have moodha vritti, moha vritti, delusion, confusion, tamo guna, it represents. Irkiliyo, moodu gunas namakku, sukha, dukkha, moha, all vrittis are there. Gunas you cannot see with your eyes. Sattva guna, rajo guna, tamo guna, kannala paaka mudiyadu. You cannot experience them. How you experience? Through happiness you experience Sattva guna. Through sorrow you experience the Rajo guna. Infer means anumanam pananam. Aha, ipo dukkama irukena Rajo gunathula irukken ardham. Once that delusion, moha comes, I infer the Tamo guna. Rosiness, sleepiness. Okay? Tamo guna predominant. So gunas, these are the gunas, difference is there. These are all uncommon features we saw in the last class. So Prakriti Sambhavan, all gunas born out of Prakriti only. This Prakriti alone is called as what? Maya, Shakti. Maya, Shakti, Prakriti is the power of Purushaha. Very, very interesting topic. The Maya, Prakriti, Shakti is the power of Purushaha. Purusha is Swatantraha. What was the another future I said? Swatantraha, Purushaha, independent. Whereas Prakriti is Paratantraha, depending upon Purushaha to perform any action. In a Jadam illiyo. It is Jadam, inert. It cannot function. To be active, it has to take the help of Purushaha who is sentient. ஜடமான ஒரு பொருள் ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. அந்த ஜடமான ஒரு பிரகிருதி மாயா with 3 gunas. 3 gunas put together Maya. Maya tani, 3 gunas tani nenchukudadu. எது 3 குணமும் இருந்திருக்கோ அதுதான் மாயா. எது மாயோ அது 3 குணம் இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். திரிகுணாத்மிகா மாயா. So that Maya takes the help of Purusha, and Purusha and Prakriti, both of them start creating the universe. Purusha alone cannot create the universe. Prakriti alone cannot create the universe. Both of them have a contract. Purusha and Prakriti have a contract. What is that contract? Let us have some galata. What gala time? Let us have some beautiful creation. Then Purusha lends his Chaitanyam, consciousness, to Prakriti. Prakriti borrows sentiency from, one is lender, one is borrower. Okay? So, Prakriti borrows sentiency. Sat Chit borrowed from the Purusha. What Purusha does? He uses the 3 gunas of Maya, and both of them start creating the whole universe. Beautiful, colorful universe. That which has got novelty, that which has got variety, that which has got beauty, but which has no stability. It doesn't have any stability. Beautiful, wonderful universe. Why it doesn't have stability? Because Maya is undergoing change. Maya is undergoing a change. Therefore, it can never have stability. In this 21st shloka, what Lord Krishna is going to say? Karya karana kartrutve. He continues this Prakriti Purusha topic. Prakriti कार्यकरण कर्तृत्वे हेतुः उच्यते. This Prakriti, what that Prakriti? Matter, which is jadam, insentient, achetanam, Maya, Trigunatmika, Maya, Prakriti, hetuhu, cause. This alone is the cause. For what? For what? Kartrutve, to manufacture. Kartrutve means to manufacture, for the creation, for the production of what? Karya karana. Karya means gross body, karana means subtle body. Karana, and you can write karana. 2 readings are there, both are okay. Karya karana. Karya karana kartrutve or karya karana kartrutve. This Prakriti is the cause for the gross body karyam. Gross body is equal to karyam. This Prakriti alone is the cause for subtle body, which is karanam. Antah karanam mani solrom illaya. 17 faculties are there in antah karanam. So, body mind complex, in short. Simple word, namak puriyar enna word? Body mind complex. Namak sthula shariram theriyradilliyo? Gross body, are you experiencing? You are seeing visible, tangibly. Gross body sthulam. Sukshma shariram is intangible, not visible. Antahkaranam, that is called Sukshma shariram. Why it is not visible? Because it is Sukshma. Therefore, you cannot see it. You can feel it. You can feel it. Now, a nice example, very familiar example. Bulb, outer bulb, that glass, the bulb is like a gross body. Okay? Bulb kulla irukira filament is like a subtle body. You know who is Purusha? Electricity is like a Purusha. Who is important? Both three of them are important. Bulb also important, filament also important, and much more important, electricity. Electricity alone cannot do anything. Filament alone cannot do anything, cannot give light. Bulb, outer shell cannot give light. Which gives light, and three put together gives light. Similarly, Purusha is like electricity, giving, enlivening the gross matter. Mind is a subtle matter from Prakriti only. Yena karya karana kartrutve hetuhu prakritihi. Illiyo. That's why mind is a subtle clay, body is a gross clay. Rendume clay da, matter. So, refined clay is mind, gross is the body. Therefore, electricity like Purushaha lends that sentiency to that matter, karya, karana. So, body is important, mind is important, consciousness, Purushaha is important. Purushaha is equal to what? Consciousness. Why? Chaitanya. Purushaha, what is the nature of Purusha, feature of Purusha? I said, consciousness principle. Chaitanya. So therefore consciousness. That consciousness and Sthula Shariram and Sukshma Shariram. Put together what? I am. Karya karana kartrutve hetuhu prakritihi uchyate. Then what Purusha do? Purushaha sukha dukkhanam bhoktuhu Purushaha uchyate. Hetuhu uchyate. Purushaha sukha dukkhanam. Once that body-mind complex comes, sukha comes, dukkha comes. Where from they are coming? Body-mind comes, okay. Why sukha dukkha has to come? Body-mind is coming along with Prakriti, three gunas. Three gunas are nothing but sukha, dukkha, moha put together. So once you brought the body, you cannot keep that sukha, dukkha away. You cannot keep that gunas away. And the gunas put together only body-mind complex. The body is made up of three gunas. Body is made up of tamoguna. Mind is made up of rajoguna. All indriyams. And mind is made up of sattvaguna. All these three gunas put together, there is gross body, mind. Therefore, sukha, dukkha are bound to come. Therefore, never try to change. As long as you carry this body, mind complex, sukha, dukkha, irindinde irukum. Sukhamu varum, dukkhamu varum. Dukkhamu varum, sukhamu varum. அது இல்லாமலே என்ன ஒரே ஒரு நாள் when you go to tomb all they go away. ஆமா, until tomb you enter, this body mind complex has to undergo முட்டி வலி, முதுகு வலி, பல்லு வலி, all வலிஸ், வலியோ வலி, தலை வலி. அதுதான் டிவி பேர் என்ன தெரியுமோ? தலைவலின்னு. டிவிக்கு பேர் தலைவலி. அது மாதிரி one person said, I have got a headache. தலைவலி வருது. ஏன் தலைவலி வருதுன்னு கேட்டான். தலை இருக்கு, அதனால தலைவலி வரும். தலை இருந்ததுனால தலைவலி வரும். மாதிரி தலைவலி போகணும், என்ன பண்ணணும்? தலை எடுத்துடுன்னா you have to remove the head. You need not remove the head. Understand wherever there is anatma, prakriti, pain bound to come. What is another name to Prakriti? Anatma. அந்த பெரிய லிஸ்ட் நிறைய கேப் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, யூ கீப் த பிரகிருதிக்கு கீழே நிறைய கேப் இருக்கணும். அண்ட் ஆத்மா புருஷக்கு கீழே கூட நிறைய கேப் இருந்தேன்னா நான் சொல்லிகிட்டே இருப்பேன். பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வந்தப்போ அங்கே போட்டுக்கணும். ஒரு வாட் அசைன்மெண்ட் கொடுப்பேன். கிவ் தட் ஆல் அன்காமன் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் ஆஃப் புருஷா அண்ட் பிரகிருதி. யூ கேன் ரைட் ஆன் த போர்டு. எல்லாரும் உட்கார்ந்து எல்லாம் எழுதுங்க. அனாத்மா. புருஷா இஸ் கால்ட் ஆத்மா, பிரகிருதி இஸ் கால்ட் அனாத்மா. புருஷா இஸ் சத்யம், பிரகிருதி இஸ் மித்யா, அன்ரியல். Anatma is mithya. So, since that Purusha is also there in the body-mind complex, Purusha also has to undergo Sukha Dukkha. Sukha Dukkhanam Bhoktrutve Heturuchyate. Second line, Hetuhu means the cause. Bhoktrutve, the cause. Purusha is said to be the cause in the experience of pleasure and pain. Sukha dukkhanam. Pleasure and pain are experienced by Bhoktrutve, means enclosed consciousness. This consciousness becomes a bhokta. Enclosed consciousness is called experiencer. Purushaha. Figuratively, not real experiencer. Figuratively. So, figuratively, this Purushaha, Bhokta or Jivaha, another name is called Jivaha. Bhokta, Jivaha or Kshetrajnaha, all are synonyms. Next shloka we'll read. Purushah prakristho hi bhungte prakritijan gunan karanam gunasangosya sadasadyo nijanmasu. All are very, very important shlokas. Purushaha prakristhaha. Now, this Purushaha as though entered in the body-mind complex. As though entered. Anupravesha Shruti, based on Anupravesha Shruti, this is shloka. Eppadi Krishna Paramatma going along with the Upanishad, you see. This body-mind complex, once it has formation, since Purusha is all-pervading, Atma is all-pervading, once the body-mind complex is created, Purusha is available there in the body. Since Akasha is everywhere, once you create the pot, you bring the space and put in the pot. You bring the space and put in the pot? No. Why? As you create the pot, space already there. Space is already there. Once you create the pot, what will happen? Pot space. Ghatakashaha. So you have not created the space or you have not brought the space. Already there. Because Akasha is all pervading. Space is all pervading. So once you build this walls and this hall, it will become a hall. You didn't bring that space into the hall. And the wall, once you construct, hall space is already there. Like that, as though enter, space as though enter. It has not entered. It cannot enter. Why? All pervading. All pervading space, how can it enter? Like that, this அசத்வா இதமக்ர ஆசீத்னு முன்னாடி கிரியேஷன் வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடியே இது இருக்கு புருஷா. ஒன்ஸ் பாடி மைண்ட் வந்த உடனே உபலப்தி அவைலபிள். புருஷா இஸ் அவைலபிள். ஆத்மா இஸ் அவைலபிள் ஹியர். In this body mind complex he is available. Prakritisthaha. As though Purusha is captured, as though the Prakriti. Prakritisthaha tat srishtva tadevanupravishat tadanupravishya. Taittiriya Upanishad. Tat srishtva, having created the body mind complex. Amma Prakriti கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணு டு கிரியேட் த பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். கிரியேட் பண்ண உடனே என்ன ஆச்சு? அம்மா மாயாதேவி, தட் மாயாதேவி மேட் திஸ் புருஷா disappear. Disappear in the sense what? We are not able to recognize. Maya Mohini, having taken the help of Purusha, once she has come into existence, nobody recognizing the Purusha, Atma. Everybody recognizing what? Nama, Rupa, body, mind complex. Just as when you are sitting in front of the screen, movie, before you are putting the switch on, the screen is nicely you are seeing. Once you want to see the movie, you switch on, my goodness, all picture, hero, heroine, villain, all those pictures comes, you start seeing the movie. And you are start seeing the movie. You are so much involved in the movie. And you are starting moving. You are sitting almost at the edge of the sofa. What is going to happen to the hero? What is going to happen to that heroine? You have forgotten, you have lost sight of the screen. And this lady is crying, hero pavam, crying. ஏதாவது ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா ஹீரோக்கு, she is crying as though happened to her. Husband is telling, எதுக்கு why you are crying? நான் பக்கம் தானே இருக்கேன், ஏன் crying? She has engrossed in that movie. Once you lose sight of the screen, other than the screen there is nothing. The screen alone allowing the Prakriti pictures. Screen is like Purushaha. Pictures, movies, and the movie pictures are like Prakriti, Maya. Who is attractive? Screen is attractive or Maya is attractive? Movie is attractive, Maya is attractive, colorful. Screen எப்படி இருக்கும்? Blank இருக்கும். Who will look at the screen? அந்த ஸ்க்ரீனுக்கு கூட இன்னொரு ஸ்க்ரீன் போடுவோம் நம்ம. We don't want to see that screen. What is there in the screen? But once you colors comes, pictures come, Maimarandi. Maimarandi. This is called Thadatmyam. Thadatmyam. பசி தெரியாது, தூக்கம் வராது, ஏன்னா மூச்சு காத்து கூட போகிறதோ இல்லையோ டவுட்டு. when you are seeing the movie, like that people are very much engrossed in the movie. Why it is called a movie தெரியுமோ? மூவதி iti movie. That which moves the people is called movie. That which moves the people mind is called movie. Similarly, Maya is so attractive, it moves. Where is this Purusha? Prakritisthaha. Pavam idhula ondi maattitar. ஏதோ சும்மா போய் பாவம் போய் நான் ஏதோ கிரியேட் பண்ணுன்னு சொன்னேன். யூ ஆர் ஹைடிங் மீ இட் செல்ஃப் மாயா. என்ன பண்ணுறது? ஆனாலும் மாயா ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸ்க்ரீன் பிளெஸ்ஸிங்ஸ் இல்லாமலே மூவி cannot exist. And the movie has to thank whom? Purusha. Screen. If that movie forgets the screen, what will happen? One day, movie itself loses its status. So therefore, prakritisthaha purushaha. Purushaha prakritisthaha means body-mind complex. Prakritisthaha, in that body-mind complex, purushaha. Therefore, body-mind complex is jadam, anatma, mithya, matter. Who is spirit? Purushaha. Purusha's spirit is available where? In the body-mind complex. Now, very important point. Now you say, I have a car, I have a house, I have a TV, I have a phone, I have a dog. Okay? I have all of them. I have body. I have mind. You have mind or not? You have body? I have house, I have a fan, I have a car, I have a TV, I have a dog. What I have, I am not. I am different. I have body, I have a mind. So I am not body, I am not the mind. Then who am I? Spirit. Purushaha. Enna sollano? I am the Purushaha, Atma, consciousness, spiritual being with incidental body-mind complex. Ippadi sollano. I am the spirit, consciousness, principle, Purushaha. I am in this temporary incidental body-mind complex. நம்ம எப்படி சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம்? I have Atma inside. I am the body-mind complex. I have Atman. I have Atman என்ன ஆயிடுது? Atma, I have Atman means I am not Atma. I am the body-mind complex. You are keeping the Atma as though somebody different. What will happen if you take yourself as a body-mind complex? People say, no, I am a spiritual being. I am a spiritual being. I have spirit inside. I have a spirit inside. Atma ulla irkar. Paramatma ulla irkar. Enakkulla irkar. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? பரமாத்மா வேற, நான் வேற. இதுதான் இந்த அகங்காரம். Ahankara means what? Body-mind complex. If I take as myself, it is called Ahankara. Body-mind complex, if I take as myself, Ahankara, I am. If I take as Sakshi or Purusha, if I take myself as Purushaha, I am Sakshi. Atma. So since the body-mind complex, I am, when I say Atma is, Purusha is there, Spirit is there, Sthula Shariram is there, Sushma Shariram is there, all three are there. When I say I am, enna nirka? OC, Purushaha, RC, reflected consciousness, Chidabhasa, that means Sukshma Shariram, and RM, reflected medium, Sthula Shariram. Karyam, Sthula Shariram, RM. Karanam, Sushma Shariram, RC. அதில் தானே சிதாபாசமே ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். RC, reflected consciousness. Then Purushaha OC, original consciousness. But non I am and Chollambodu in the mood irka illiya. I am so and so, name, form, belong to what? Sthula Sharira. I am Krishnamurti, suppose I say. Krishnamurti belong to which one in the three law? OCya, RCya, RM, reflected medium. I am Krishnamurti. This Krishnamurti belong to gross body. This Krishnamurti is very, very happy now. Now very happy. Not that Krishnamurti. Which Krishnamurti? Krishna Jayanti Krishnamurti is ever happy. Okay. This Krishnamurti who is available in this body mind complex Krishnamurti is Dukhi, Sukhi, belong to Huchi, RC. RC means Sukshma Shariram, Karanam. Now, this Krishnamurti body is experiencing Sukha, Dukkha. Along with this, who is there? Purushaha is there. Carefully listen. Example, I am going to take a nice important point. Krishnamurti body having Sukha, Dukkha in the mind, Sukshma Sariram. Why Sukha, Dukkha comes? Because of whom? Because of whom? Prakriti. Prakriti Maya, three gunas irukku. And the மூணு குணங்கள் இருக்கு பிரகிருதில இருக்கு. பிரகிருதி ஜடம் or சைத்தனம்? ஜடம். Inert matter. Body inert. இந்த body matter, inert matter இந்த சுக துக்க மனசுக்குள்ள வர அந்த ஜடமான மனசுக்குள்ள வர காரணம் இது ஜடம். This is also jadam. Can it experience sukha dukkha? It cannot experience. To experience something, who require na chetana purushaha required. So as though purusha is experiencing. Here purusha is experiencing. Bhokta jivaha. Once mixed with purusha mixed with sukshma sariram, this experience part belongs to purusha. This experiencer here part belongs to anatma jadam. Look into the shloka now. Bhunkte prakritijan gunan. Sthula sukshma sharira abhimana adhyasa vanda udane. Once you have got adhyasa, this jiva, see that purusha who is available in this body, one body is called jivaha, jivatma. The purusha who is available in all the bodies is called paramatma. Here prakritijan gunan bhunkte. Bhunkte means experience, aware of. Aware of what? Anena jivena atmana anupravishya. Pava in the Purushan vande body mind complex vanda udane anena jivena atmana anupravishya. Anena jivena atmana means in this body when he Purusha enters, just like when you space is available in the pot, what you call? Pot space, ghatakashaha. And the ghatakashaha, pot space name is because of what? Pot. Is it not? If a pot illana, you cannot call ghatakasha pot space. Pot irikkara varakku pot space. The name will go away. Similarly, Purusha, once he enters in this body mind, enters put in inverted commas, available in this body mind complex, that Purusha is called Jivatma. When he is available in all the bodies, Paramatma. When he is available in all the bodies, total level he is called Paramatma. From individual body standpoint, Purusha is called Jivatma. From all body standpoint, Purusha is called Paramatma. Purusha got an adjective now. Jivatma, Pavam. The Jivatma. Over all irukkaru pachi. Small space, pot space. In a big hall space, big space. Hall space is big space, pot space is small space. If I keep my fingers like this, idhula space irukka illaya? Space irukka illaya? Irukku. Small space or big space? Small space. The smallness happens because of whom? Fingers, the hand. Once you remove, smallness gone. So this is called Upadhi. Pot is a Upadhi. Hall walls are Upadhi. Enclosures. Without enclosures, these walls, this hall is useless. Without enclosure pot space is useless. And the pot irukana and the space use aganum. Adhe madri Purusha is all pervading. Yaharku udavi. What is the use of that Purusha? So Purusha is useful epo. For the Purusha's manifestation, who is required? Maya, Prakriti is required. For Purusha's existence, Maya is not required. For Purusha's manifestation, to recognize availability, what is required? Prakriti, Maya is required. Now you have to thank Maya or not? Maya, and thank you, and chollanam. Yaru, Purushan chollanam. Maya Devi ki chollanam, thanks chollanam. Amma, un punyam moolamada naan irikeen Purushan existence ku avashyam illa. Avarni kandupidikiradhukku ipo bulb filament illanna, can you enjoy the electricity? Tell me. Nalla yosichu paaruங்க. Bulb filament illanna, can you enjoy the electricity? So, to manifest the electricity, to illumine, who is helping? Bulb and filament. So therefore, for the manifestation of the light, electricity, bulb is required. To exist electricity, bulb is required. Filament is required. For the existence of electricity, bulb filament is not required. For the manifestation of electricity, bulb filament is required. Adhe madrida. Example puriyarada? Adhe madrida. And the Purusha, who is Purusha? Consciousness. Chaitanyam. And the consciousness to manifest body, gross body, bulb, Sushma Sariram, filament is required. So now body-mind complex is beautiful, wonderful, beauty, novelty, is you accept or not? Is it a curse? It's not a curse. It is a wonderful, enjoy. Purusha is available here. Pam chappuna avar engo irupar theriyamale. Illaya? Our existence illaya nu yavarku theriyum? And the existence, for its existence, Maya is not required. For its manifestation, Maya is required. The spirit can manifest in the matter, but matter cannot exist separately, independently without spirit, the Purushaha. Ye Paratantram. Purushaha Swatantram. So Purushaha Swatantraha, for its existence, he need not depend upon Maya. Carefully listen. Purushaha Swatantraha need not depend for its existence, but he has to depend for its manifestation. Whereas Prakriti has to depend upon Purusha for its existence itself. Without Purusha, Prakriti cannot exist separately. Yenna ade paratantram. Prakriti is paratantram. Purusha is independent, swatantram. So for the manifestation of Purusha, Maya is helpful. Okay? So Maya manifesting what? For its appearance, for the existence of Maya, who is required? Purusha. Very good. That's the point. For the manifestation of Purusha, Maya is helping. For the existence of Maya, who is helping? Purusha. Both of them are mutually helping each other. So therefore the whole creation is wonderful. Spirit, matter, Purusha, Prakriti, glory. Spirit, matter, a glory. This glory you want to see or you want to run away? Why people want to run away from this glory? Because of what? Gunan, second half. Prakritijan gunan bhungte. To enjoy, to experience, an inert matter cannot experience. Is it not? And the sukha, dukkha, moha, which are all coming in the mind, who can experience? Only Purusha. Purusha can experience. But without undergoing any vikaram. That's the significance. Without undergoing any vikaram, as though he experienced. Without undergoing any vikara, Purusha is experiencing. That he says, bhungte, experiences the gunas born of Prakriti. Prakritijan gunan bhungte. Purusha. If you know this, you are muktaha. But generally people do not know. And that Purusha bhungte, they take it as real. Guna sangaha. Once you attach with that gunas, sangha means kama. Sukha, dukkha, you take it real. Which are born in the mind, take it real. Enakku sukham varudhu, enakku dukkam varudhu. Idu parungo. Eater, speaker, walker, experiencer, observer, witnesser. What is changing? What is not changing? ER is not changing. Speaker is changing. Witnesser is changing. And the first half is changing. That is speaking, walking, eating, going, experiencing, witnessing. All what are all changing belong to whom? Prakriti. Whatever is changing belong to Prakriti. Which is not changing? ER is not changing. And the ER change ஆகாமல இருக்கிற ER belong to Purusha. Change ஆயிண்டு இருக்கிற இந்த actions இருக்குலையோ belong to Prakriti. Prakriti. In the sorting out, if you do, இந்த சங்கம் இருக்கக்கூடாது. இந்த இது கூட சங்கம் இருக்கக்கூடாது. That's what he says. Guna sangaha, attachment to the gunas, is the cause sadasadyoni janmasu. அவ்வளோதான் விஷயம். புரிஞ்சு போச்சு விஷயம். இந்த புருஷா, who is called as Jivatma in this body, மூணு இருக்கு. அகங்காரம். ஓகே, இந்த அகங்காரம்ல அகம், ஓசி, ஆர்சி, ஆரம். இந்த மூணு combination we have to sort out. When I am enjoying this sukha dukkha belong to whom? Prakriti Anatma. Who is enjoying a sentient principle? இவனுக்கு தெரியணும், இந்த புருஷனுக்கு நான் என்ஜாய் பண்ணும்போது கூட இதெல்லாம் பிலாங் டு த மைண்ட், எனக்கு இல்லைப்பான்னு. இப்போ ஐ ஹாவ் எ கார், காரில் பெட்ரோல் இருக்கு. பெட்ரோல் இஸ் பிளெஸ்ஸிங் த கார் டு மூவ். ஓகே, petrol is blessing the car to move. Car can go wrong side, right side. Can petrol is not responsible for wrong side and left side. Wrong side and right side, petrol is not responsible. But petrol is only blessing the car to move. Like that, this Purusha, untouched by the body mind, he can bless the body mind. But unfortunately, இந்த ஜீவா என்ன ஆயிடுவான்? பாவம் ஜீவாத்மா, புருஷா, who is called as ஜீவாத்மா, he attached to this mind body complex. Unfortunately, குணசங்கஹா. பல்லு வலி இஸ் என்னுடைய வலி. காரில் ஏதாவது ஐ டோல்ட் யூ ஐ ஹாவ் ஏ கார், ஐ ஹாவ் ஏ டிவி. டிவியில் ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தால் யுவர் ப்ராப்ளமா அது? காரில் ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தால் எனக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா? வீட்டில் இருக்கிற டாகுக்கு, நாய்க்கு ஏதாவது ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தால் எனக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்ல வேண்டாம்? அதே மாதிரி என்னுடைய பாடியில் ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தானா எனக்கு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாமா? என்னோட மனசில் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கும்போது எனக்கு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாமா? சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோமே. என்ன சொல்லணும்? இந்த கால் கொஞ்சம் வலிக்கிறது, அதனால ஓல்டன் டேஸில் இஃப் யூ கோ டு வில்லேஜஸ், வாட் இஸ் யுவர் நேம்னு சொன்னால் அவன் என்ன சொல்லுவா தெரியுமா? சுப்பிரமணியன்னு கூப்பிடுவான், சுப்புன்னு கூப்பிடுவான்னு சொல்லுவான். என்னோட பேர் சுப்புன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டான், சுப்புன்னு கூப்பிடுவான் சொல்கிறான். They never identify with the name. They look at the body-mind complex separately. This is called Vriddha Vyavahara. From ancestors it comes. எந்த பாவம் வந்தது அது உடம்புக்கு, இன்னும் வந்ததுன்னு சொல்லுவான். உடம்புக்கு ஏதோ வந்தது, ஏதோ போயின்னு இருக்கு அந்த பிராரப்தம், அந்த மனசுக்குள்ள அதெல்லாம் தகராறு போயின்னு இருக்கான்னு சொல்லுவான். They never take it as their own. They always feel with that Atma Bhava. But unfortunately, maximum 99.999% of people, Guna Sangaha, என்ன அப்பான்னா ஓகே குணசங்கம் இருந்தால் என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த பிரகிருதி கூட கொஞ்சம் ஒட்டி இருந்தால் என்ன ஆகும்னா என்ன ஆகுமா? சத சத் யோனி ஜென்மசூன அஸ்ய காரணம். இந்த குணசங்கா, ஒன்ஸ் யூ அட்டாச் டு த பிரகிருதி, சத்ஜன்ம அசத்யோனி. சத்யோனி என்ன? யோனி என்ன? கர்ப்பம். திஸ் பர்சன் என்டர்ஸ் இன்டு ஹையர் பாடிஸ். புண்ணியம் பண்ணிட்டான்னா ஹையர் பாடிஸ் ஹி டேக்ஸ். அசத்யோனி என்ன? லோவர் இன்ஃபீரியர் பாடிஸ். காக்ரோச் பாடி, கருப்பாம்பூச்சி, ஓகே, கருப்பாம்பூச்சி பாடி, crocodile பாடி, கேட்டு, ரேட்டு, எல்லா பாடி அசத் ஜென்ம. சத் மீன்ஸ் ஹையர் பாடிஸ், தேவதா சரீரம். Asad means inferior insects, reptiles, all these bodies. This is also possible. Shankaracharya says, sadasad ennaru. கொஞ்சம் பாப்போம், கொஞ்சம் புண்ணியம் பண்ணிட்டான்னா மனுஷ ஜென்மா, உபாபியாம் மனுஷ ஜென்மா. சதசத் யோனி ஜென்மசு. ஒன்னா ரெண்டா இந்த மூவி என்ன முடிஞ்சிடும், ஒரு டக்குன்னு சுவிச் ஆஃப் பண்ணுவோம். வாட் அபவுட் திஸ் லைஃப் மூவி? The life movie is go on, janmas, non-stop episode. Non-stop episode. 350 400 அண்ணா போயிட்டே இருக்கப்ப. சீரியல் எல்லாம் சீரியஸ் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. டிப்ரெஷன், அப்ரெஷன், சப்ரெஷன் எல்லாம் சீரியஸ். என்ன குணசங்கா. Once we attach to this Maya, Prakriti, Gunas, which are, that is why Purushaha is ever free, never Baddhaha. Whereas Prakriti is Maya, Prakriti, body, mind, complex is never free. இது எப்பவுமே தோஷம் இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். இது ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். ஆமாம், அதுக்கு ரிப்பேர் பண்ண வேண்டிய தேவையே இல்லை. சுத்தம் நித்திய முக்தா புருஷா. இதேவோ எப்பவுமே பத்தா. எவ்வளோ பண்ணினாலும் அங்கே கொஞ்சம் ரிப்பேர் பண்ணால் இங்கே லீக்கேஜ், இங்கே லீக்கேஜ் வந்து அங்கே லீக்கேஜ். இப்போதான் காலு வலி அஞ்சப்போ டாக்டர் கிட்ட போனா சுவாமினி திருப்பி பல்லு வலி வந்தது. அதுக்கு ஜெரண்டாலஜின்னு ஒன்று இருக்கு. ஓல்டேஜ் வராமல் இருக்கிறதுக்காக தேர் ஆல் ட்ரைங். ஏஜிங் தே வாண்ட் டு ஸ்டாப். ஏஜிங் வரக்கூடாது. என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? எர்த்துக்வேக் வந்தால் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? ஏஜிங் வந்துட்டு இருக்கும். எர்த்துக்வேக் வந்தால் வந்தது இல்லையோ மெட்ராஸில், டி நகரில் எல்லாம், மெட்ராஸ் சென்னையில் வந்தது. ஐ எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் சென்னை எர்த்துக்வேக் வரக்கு எதுக்கு? ஸ்வைன் ஃப்ளூ போதுமே. எதுக்கு ஸ்வைன் ஃப்ளூ? யாருக்கு வரும்? பிரகிருதிக்கா புருஷக்கா? பிரகிருதிக்கு. So therefore you cannot stop. What is swine flu? அதாவது பிக் வைரஸ் அண்ட் ஹியூமன் வைரஸ் ஜாயின் ஆயினா நியூ வைரஸ் வருமா? அந்த வைரஸ் தான் ஸ்வைன் ஃப்ளூக்கு காரணமே. whole world is shivering now. Where it is happening? பிரகிருதி. மாயா பிரகிருதியில் ஸ்வைன் ஃப்ளூ இருக்க பாவம். மாயாக்கு ஸ்வைன் ஃப்ளூ வந்தாச்சப்பா. புருஷா ஐதி புருஷா இஸ் எவர் ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் ஸ்வைன் ஃப்ளூ. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. உபத்ரஷ்டானுமந்தா ச भर्ता भोक्ता महेश्वरः परमात्मेति चाप्युक्तः देहेऽस्मिन् पुरुषः परः. மகாவாக்கிய ஸ்லோகம். ஒரு ஸ்லோகம் 1 வீக் பேசலாம். ஆமாம், I feel so, it's not adequate to talk about this shloka. Very, very terse shlokas. Mahavakya shlokam. Now Lord Krishna negating the vikara in this verse. In the Purushanla vikaram kadiyadu. Without undergoing any vikara, the Purusha is just as though experiencing. Yenna jadamana porul body mind complex can never experience. The pains, happies, dukkha, sukha all are belong to body mind complex. Ivar Purushan வந்து as though experiencing. இவனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் யாராவது குரு வந்து சொன்ன நீ புருஷனப்பா 13th chapter போய் கேட்டான், இவன் வந்து இந்த பிரகிருதியில் மாட்டிக்க மாட்டான், எது சுக துக்கத்தில். அண்ட் ஹி லுக்ஸ் அட் தெம் ஆஸ் சாக்ஷி. சாக்ஷி, விட்னஸர். விட்னஸர் ஆஃப் வாட்? பல்லு வலி, கண்ணு வலி, தலைவலி, முட்டி வலி, முதுகு வலி. விட்னஸர் ஆஃப் ஆல் ஸ்வைன் ஃப்ளூ, எர்த்குவேக், சுனாமி, ரெயின் எல்லாமே. விட்னஸர், அப்சர்வர் ஆஃப் ஆல் த turmoil, beauty, wonderful, novelty, everything going in the prakriti. Who is that? Upadrashta. Purushaha upadrashta. Upa means samipam. How far Purusha from the body? Very, very close. Upana samipam. Drashta, witnesser, observer. Drashta. You are the observer of your leg pain or not? You are the observer of your eye pain or not? You are observer of your cough? You are observer of your headache? என்ன சுவாமி எல்லாம் பெயினே சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன், நல்லது சொல்லுங்க. You are observer of your joy. You are observer of your happiness. Observer is always different from observed. Therefore what? Come to the next class. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ.